Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this origami birthday cake flicker. And I named it a birthday cake flicker because this is a 2D variation of this origami birthday cake that I just designed. And I'll be teaching this model in a few days, so stay tuned. So this is the simpler and two-dimensional version of that. And this is how it flies. This is how it flies. Whoa! Alright, want to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. So for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. You could try it from a sheet of printer paper cut square, but it looks better from dual colored paper. Alright, so begin with the white side up, and we're going to fold in half. Try to make very precise folds, and crease sharply. And fold in half this way too. Okay, and now we're going to blend. So fold the four corners to the middle. This will be a purple flicker with white icing. Yeah, the white is the icing. Okay. Yeah, my brother's birthday is on Sunday. He's gonna be 18. Yeah, he's gonna be an adult. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this corner and fold it to the bottom. And crease sharply. And now fold the corner to the edge. And now fold it up again so the crease aligns with the edge. Okay, and now fold it down on the crease and fold the corner up like this. And there's our teeth. Alright, now repeat that 3 more times. And here we go. And I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this part. Alright, crease everything sharply. And now what we're going to do is we're going to fold the corner, this corner up. So these two edges, I use my pen for this. So these two edges touch these 2 points. Okay, and crease sharply. So this is what it looks like. Okay, rotate. And now we're going to fold this up. What is going on up there? Okay, we're going to fold this up in between these 2 points. There's some ruckus going on upstairs. Okay, and unfold that. And we're going to open this pocket here and squash. It's kind of a tricky step, not too bad. There we go. And now we're going to repeat on this side too. So, expose that crease, make it a mountain fold, and flatten it. And now fold the flaps down. And to make the next step easier, let's just kind of curl them a little bit. Because the next step's a little bit tricky. And now comes the tricky step. It's the hardest step of the whole model. We're going to tuck these 2 flaps. We're going to tuck these 2 flaps into these 2 pockets. So we're just wrap them over like this. It's harder for me because I'm looking at the viewfinder as I'm doing this. And do that 3 more times. Okay, flatten everything. And once you did that, there it is, the birthday cake flicker. Yeah, it doesn't really look exactly like a birthday cake. I mean, it kind of does a little bit. I mean, this is nice and round here, the icing. But I just named it that because it's a variation of this model. It's just the 2D version of this model that I'll be teaching. And it's a really good flicker, too. And let's see how this baby flies. So, you hold it right here. You hold it like this, and flick somewhere right here. Alright, here we go. So you just hold it like this and flick right here. It's just like an ordinary flicker. Ooh, nailed the light. Let's do it a couple more times. Ooh, it almost landed on my desk. This is an excellent flicker. I like this one a lot. Ooh, yeah. Alright, well, hope you guys like that. Make sure you subscribe, and stay tuned for the 3D birthday cake. It'll be up in a few days. Alright, see you guys later.